Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Camelot. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. Main goal of this puzzle is to put these 5 pieces into this triangular frame. We have this opening that kind of prevents us from just doing whatever we want. Okay, so to begin with, we will place a piece in here like so. We'll send it up top. We will take another piece like this, drop it in, move it to the corner, and then slide this piece down from top so it nestles in. Okay. From here, we will place this piece like so. There we go. And we will send that up top. We will put another piece exactly the same orientation, like so, and we'll push it into the bottom corner. And we have the perfect opening for our final piece. And there we have it, all the pieces are flat in the puzzle, and this is solved. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it in our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.